Yay, it's here. My bar from Side Charlie Tools. I'm so excited. So this is the opening and unveiling of a Side Charlie tool. They're firefighting bars, halogen bars, extendable, strong, custom made. They send a little envelope and a card with a cool sticker. I love their logo. This is the Side Charlie logo. It's nice. So here we go. So I ordered the lieu, which is an extendable bar with the halogen, with the adze and pike on one end and gas shutoff on the other. This is so nice. It's powder coated. I feel like this is about 7 pounds, maybe 8 pounds at the most. And it's about 1.5 feet collapse like this. And it should extend to 30 inches. So that's pretty good. What I love about this is it'll be portable. I could stick in my backpack on USAR deployments. Use it there. It should be able to fit under a seat if you need to. Of course, you always have to stow tools safely in apparatus. But so here it is. It's gorgeous. Oh yeah, I had my EIN. You can have have an engraving done. Side Charlie Tools. Gorgeous. I love it. It feels so sturdy. Fully collapsed. Yeah, so one thing to remember is before striking, make sure the tool's fully collapsed. So if you're going to be striking on this end, make sure this is fully collapsed and not at all extended. That's kind of common sense, but we know what we think about people with common sense. So here it is extended. You push here. This is so nice. And so I think with just maintenance, you just apply a little oil in here, and in the pins here, the pinholes, to keep it nice and keep the grit out, keep it clean. There's their cool little logo in there too. I'm so excited about this. I love it. Might have to do more shopping at Side Charlie.